there's a diesel powered heater within the van, which is very easy to operate. Simply press and hold the power button and you'll be able to see on the screen it comes up with H3, 3 being the number of the fan, which is adjustable by either the up or the down button here. For a lower fan speed, you can simply press the bottom button and it will turn it down. If you want to switch the heater back off again, it's a case of just pressing and holding the power button. You will notice that it takes a couple of minutes for the fan to actually heat up and for the diesel to get into the heater itself. But within a couple of minutes, you'll have warm air blowing out of the heater.